And I will cut the other side. Okay, check if the walls have been cut straight and perpendicular. Make sure to check the angle of the mortise with a combination square. If the mortise is not a perfect cuboid, the male piece will end up leaning when connected. The short walls have been cut nice and square. Unfortunately, I can't check the angle of the long walls with this combination square, as the mortise is not wide enough to accommodate it. So all I can do is gaze at the inside walls to check if they are cut properly. If the walls are angled in a way that the connecting piece won't fit all the way to the bottom, they'll need to be cut nice and straight to allow for sufficient room. But if they're angled in the other direction, there will be too much space at the bottom and the connecting piece will not fit tightly enough. I'm sorry to say that there is nothing you can do in the latter case. But it happens. You can always try again. And there you have it, a perfectly clean and precise mortise.